Hi, my name's David, and I am making this video because I couldn't find the answers I was looking for in a video on the YouTube where we all go for answers. And that is, what does an Alvarez Dana Triforce pickup sound like? This is a Dana 2. It's from the, I think, early 90s. Let's get right to it. For reference, I am playing through a 1981 PD Backstage amp, little 10-inch speaker. Everything is at 12 o'clock on the EQ, and I have the pre set lower than I do the post, so there should be no overdrive. I'm going to call this position number 1 all the way back. This is this coil and this coil. I believe that they are in series. Sounds like this, clean. Here's position number 2. That is this coil and this coil. I believe they are wired in parallel. It has a thinner, kind of single coily, on a little bit of nasally sound. Pretty still, but a little nasally. Sounds like this. Okay, let's get some hum. This is the middle position. There's the hum. That is this single coil all by itself. And it sounds like this. Position number 4. Get rid of the hum. This one and this one. And I think that they're in series. I like this one a lot for clean sound. Here's position number 5. Here comes some hum. That is this pickup all by its lonesome. Sounds a lot like a Strat neck, but a little brighter, probably because it's a little further away from the neck. Alright, and now let's listen to it with distortion. I am playing through a standard Boss DS1. I have the distortion all the way up because that is the way the people of my era like it. I have the level at 12 o'clock, and I have the tone just back from 12 o'clock, a nudge. It's not going to sound quite like maybe one you have laying around sounds like, because it is an old Japanese one and not the newer Taiwanese or wherever they make them now. Just it's a little bit better sound. I'll start off same way, position 1 through position 5. Alright, here's position number 2. I like this one a lot. Can't play today. Position number 3. Here's the hum. Oh yeah, that's single coil, alright. And why I'm a humbucker guy. Thank you, position number 4, for bucking that hum. Finally, position number 5. So that's it. Just for reference, this is fire engine red looking. It's really has tiny little blue or purple sparkles in there. You can't probably see it in the camera. Maybe you can. This is an artificial Floyd rose. It's the best not real Floyd rose I've had when it comes to staining tin. I'm going to turn it down some. Here's a reference. Get a little violent with it. Let's see if it's in tune. Yes. Anyway, like always, it's also for sale.